Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien. This video today is sponsored by Lordhair.com and today we are going to be talking about different hair systems. Let's get going. Today we're going to be talking about a variety of hair systems that we can get from Lordhair.com. We have so many systems to choose from on the website that we have to go through a few to see which is the right one for you. First up we have the SuperSkin-V Afro. This is an absolutely fabulous system for anyone with textured hair. This has a super skin base. It is very realistic, especially around the hairline, and it's extremely light to wear. It comes in many colors. It is also 100% human hair. This is a must-have, a must-buy if you want something that's very realistic and light on the scalp. Next up is French lace. You will see many of these French lace systems on the Lordhair website. These are fantastic and breathable systems. This can be used with tape or glue, whichever you choose is most comfortable. You can also have clips adhere to these as well if you want to go glue-free. The hairline on these systems are extremely realistic, very breathable, and if you sweat a lot, this is a great system for you. It's also extremely durable. Following up with that, we have one of my favorite systems. This is the Neo Premier. And when I say Premier, I mean luxury. This system is super realistic with its lace hairline, so you will never clock or know that you have a hair system on. You also have a skin around the perimeter of the system. This is really good if you want to use tape. It lasts very long. It's extremely durable. You also have lace here in the middle. This is quite breathable. I work out a lot. I wear this system, so it wears very well. It's also extremely light. The hair is 100% human hair, comes in numerous different colors on the website. This system, like all of Lordhair systems, is high quality, but just take it up a notch. This is super believable, super realistic, and you'll never want to change after this one. Next we have the SuperSkin-M. I've worn this on many occasions. This is very durable. It's 0.1 millimeters, so it definitely feels like it will get through absolutely anything. This has medium density in it as well, so make sure that you do check your density when you're choosing your system, and it will list it and all the details on each system on the Lordhair website. Medium density for me is a little bit thicker because I just like to look like I have really full hair. But many of the systems come in lots of different densities. The hairline on this is very realistic. It blends in nicely with the scalp, and as your own scalp color shines through, it will also match the system. I personally use tape on this system, but they do recommend glue as well. I just find the cleanup a little bit easier, but do realize when you do use tape on thin skin systems that it can rip and tear, but glue is a little bit more gentle when taking your system off. So do think about that when removing your system. As you can see, there is so much to choose from, and this is only a small amount I'm showing you today. So if you want to learn more about hair systems, go to Lordhair.com. I hope you liked my video. I'll see you all very soon. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you got all the information you need. If you want more information, comment below. I'll see you all soon. Bye.